Long-term disability insurance coverage, what is it? Well, it's an insurance policy that's written by a private insurance company. It could be Aetna, Hartford, The Standard, Prudential, Massachusetts Mutual. Any number of private companies write a long-term disability policy. It's designed to provide payment to you. It's generally referred to as income replacement payments that are made to you in the event of becoming disabled. Now, often you can get these policies in one of two ways. First is through your employment. Many employers provide this as one of the fringe benefits for working for them. It's coverage that a lot of people aren't even aware of until they become disabled. Second way in which people get these kind of policies is to go out and purchase them. You can go to an agent and simply purchase them. As a general rule, the policy you purchase yourself will have more and better opportunities to fully recover from the insurance company than a policy that's provided through your employer. One of the reasons for that is that the policy provided by your employer is covered by a federal program referred to as ERISA, and it limits some of the things that can be done in a claim for long-term disability benefits. Now, when you have a long-term disability benefit, there are terms, conditions, and provisions in the policy that are going to be unique to that policy. These policies all vary. They're not like automobile policies. They vary significantly. And you really should consult with a lawyer if you're having any kind of a difficulty with that long-term disability insurance company. These are complex policies. And one of the things you should also consider is that by virtue of the fact that there is an offset that exists in all policies, that offset requires that you many times apply for, and often always apply for, Social Security disability. How does the offset work? Let's assume the insurance company promises to pay $3,000 a month in the event you are disabled. They require that you apply for Social Security disability. Social Security pays $1,500 a month. Well, the $1,500 a month is offset or subtracted from the amount that the insurance company owes, and the payment the insurance company makes is only $1,500. Combined between the two, you are actually paid $3,000, but only $1,500 comes from the actual insurance company. Now, when you're looking for a lawyer to represent you, very important thing to know is that you should get a lawyer of your own choice. It is advisable not to get the lawyer who is recommended by the insurance company for your Social Security disability claim. And the reason for that is that lawyer has some obligation to the insurance company who's recommending him. Best to get a lawyer of your own choosing. And it's best to get a lawyer who also does Social Security disability applications and does long-term disability claims applications and litigation. Why? Because much of the evidence that's necessary for Social Security is also necessary for your long-term disability claim in the event, especially if you are turned down. One lawyer handling both of them makes simple common sense, because that lawyer will become very familiar with the evidence and will be able to best represent you in both a Social Security claim and in a long-term disability claim. Now, we're going to provide other video blogs that will deal with how ERISA really works, how the offsets really work, and also the fact that, believe it or not, your insurance company, your long-term disability insurance company, will wind up paying for your Social Security disability application attorney. Okay, we'll bring you these video blogs so that you can have some understanding as to how long-term disability insurance works, so you can better approach a claim for long-term disability and especially deal with a situation where you are turned down for coverage. All right, I'm David Allen.